How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the shake trigger in Geometry Dash. Now it's going to be extremely simple. Of course, the first thing that you want to do is to just look for the shake trigger itself. And then of course, you could place the shake trigger to the part where you want the trigger or the shake to happen. In my case, I'm going to be placing it this way. Let's now select on the edit object, and then I'm going to modify the strength, the interval, and the duration. Of course, you could customize this to whatever you want to. Maybe you want it to be set at 10. In my case, I'm just going to make it real quick at 0.28. Now you could use the touch trigger or the spun trigger, but in my case, I'm going to be fine with this one. Now let's go ahead and set multiple triggers or the multiple shake triggers. My second one will then appear right here. And so right after, let's just hit on the play button, and basically after triggering or after touching the shake trigger itself, it should then go ahead and basically shake our screen. So that's how you easily use the shake triggers in Geometry Dash. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.